Super excited to show you DocsAutomator's new repeating sections feature. Here on my screen, you see a property inspection report. And in this report, you see room by room findings. And basically for every room, there are a bunch of details that need to be displayed for that room, and they come from related data. Up until now, you were only able to repeat rows in a table, and you could do a lot with it. You could expand the row quite a lot. You could lay out the variables in different columns, etc. But there were still limits to what you were able to do with that. Now you can actually take entire sections and repeat them over related data. How we do this is we're using the line items syntax again. So you see this line items one opening tag here. And now there's also a corresponding closing tag that basically marks the end of the repeating section. So you can see here that we're opening here and then we're including some details, the room name, etc. We're adding an image as well for this room, adding some notes, but then we're also adding a table again, which now is a nested line items table. So every room has 1, 2, 3 multiple findings that we want to print here in the table as well. So that is possible within that repeating section. And then we're closing this section again. This works for Google Docs templates, but also works for Word templates. And let's look at a preview. Actually, let's quickly look at the data first. I'm using Airtable here, but this works from any data source, works via the API, works via MCP. It works from anywhere basically, but here you see inspections, and then inspections have those rooms attached to them. They relate to rooms, and every room has multiple findings. And we're printing from inspections here. Let's do this for Riverside office building. So this one here. And what we'll see now is that the related rooms are added here under room by room findings. Let me actually expand this. Here under room by room findings, room 1, the lobby, room 2, room 3. So all of this comes from a related table. A feature that was asked for again and again on top of this, or in addition to this, was that these sections can they be displayed on single pages basically. And you can add a page break actually in here, or you can also conveniently just go to the repeating sections section here, and then you see page break between sections, and you can turn this on. And if we generate this again now, we will see that every room is now on their own page, on their separate page. So let's wait a few seconds till this is generated. And if we scroll down, zooming in here a bit, we scroll down, we now see that the lobby room is on its own page, server room is on its own page, the kitchen is on its own page, all with their findings. As you can see here, the kitchen has 3 findings, the server room only 1, etc., etc. Last thing I want to show you here is there is a skip brackets conditionally section. So you can also skip sections in case that you don't want to display them under a certain condition, or you can also skip them if they're empty. So in here you see skip when rows in the section are empty, which is a classic case. So in that case, basically, if those rows are empty, then that section basically wouldn't be included. That helps. Let me know what you think. And for now, I wish you happy automating and speak to you very soon.